What you are looking at right now might look like a high-quality diamond at first glance. But in our laboratories at the Gemological Institute of Genoa, we look much deeper. This stone is actually a cubic zirconia, the most common diamond simulant on the market. In this video, I am going to zoom in with you, taking our microscope camera all the way from 10 times up to 64 times magnification, to show you the two unmistakable tricks to tell a CZ apart from a real diamond. Let's start here at 10 times magnification, looking closely at the pavilion, the lower portion of the stone. Notice those distinct yellowish flashes of light reflecting off the pavilion facets as the stone moves. This is your first major clue. Cubic zirconia has a slightly higher dispersion, or fire, than a natural diamond, while a diamond splits light into beautiful, sharp, multicolored rainbow flashes. A CZ often betrays itself under gemological lighting with these specific, hyper-saturated orange and yellow flashes in the pavilion. Now, let's increase the magnification. Watch as we pass 30 times, 40 times, and lock in at 64 times magnification right on the facet edges. Look at these junctions where the facets meet. Do you see those micro scratches and rounded, worn-down edges? Those are abrasions. This comes down to pure physics and the most scale of hardness. A natural diamond sits at a perfect tendre. It is the hardest substance known, meaning its facet edges stay incredibly sharp and razor thin over years of wear. Cubic zirconia, however, sits around an 8.5, while diamonds can technically be scratched by other diamonds. CZ is soft enough to get scratched by everyday dust and wear. Under 64 times magnification, a used CZ will almost always show these scratched surfaces and bruised, abraded facet edges. Understanding these subtle microscopic details is the core of what we teach at the Gemological Institute of Genoa. This is Total Gemology, combining laboratory science with real-world market protection, so you never misidentify a stone. If you want to train your eyes to see what the naked eye misses and turn your passion into a professional career, explore our certification programs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more microscopic breakdowns, and leave a comment below. See you in the next laboratory session.